What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, today's the day. We're gonna find out what cam I put in Pop's car. It's kind of insane that I even have to ask that, but yeah, we'll know here in a little bit. Headed out to the shop, tear this thing down. It's a beautiful day. IATs are low. Loving it. Yes, we're putting the 417 Fox dash kit in it soon, but right now it's chop time. Let's go get to work. All right, boys, it's time to get busy. We're gonna go ahead and pull the air down. Got it racked up, gonna drain the coolant. It's B-cam time. Where is my B-cam? Huh? No, that's the other. Oh, that's the B. No, that's it right here. I set it up here. Yeah. The B. Yeah, that's that flat tablet cam. So we got the cam, and then, hold on. Where is it? Where is it? We got the pulley. What do you think about that? 3.12, baby. So, I'm gonna set y'all up on a time lapse. We're gonna get to wrenching. All right, we're getting down to the nitty gritty. Won't be long. Pull this lower, and then we can pull this cam out.
Man, where's Kevo when you need him?
I know. He's push rod for life, and he didn't even show up to help with the cam.
Yeah, we don't mess with this stuff.
We did have a little not great news. The balancer pulled right off, and the balancer was brand new when we put it in. I guess we're gonna need to put a stroker in it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think, Brent? Just
Hey, let's go for it.
Yeah, why not?
Stroker.
Why not? Oh, and I was thinking these were 1.7s, and of course they weren't. I was thinking they were Proform, and no, they're Motorsport SVO 1.6s. Other than that, no bad news. That's always good. So we're gonna keep rocking and rolling. Get that cam out here in just a few minutes. All right, bro, your guess. Is it stock or is it an E?
I don't think it's stock, Caleb.
Well, we about to find out. Yeah. Well, if it's an E, then I've got valve spring problems. Something else. Actually, let me pull this tool off.
Warming.
It's still warm.
There you go.
All right, Dover's gonna do the honors. We're gonna look at the end of this cam. It may not
You're
clear.
supposed to do that in the jerking motion.
Yeah, just yank it out. We don't need no cam bearings.
I think
we're going to move the condenser.
Yeah, we're going to move the condenser. Well, yeah, we're going to move it.
There you go.
Oh, it's close.
Look like he's done this a few times.
No, it's
Yeah, we still got one more journal to go.
Yeah, take these loose.
I should be able to just drop it down a little bit. All I know is I hope it's a stock cam. Because if it's an E, I got problems. I don't know.
Just your look, though.
It would be, yeah.
It would be, yeah.
Well, if it's not, my valve springs or something's bad.
Keep saying when you hit it.
All right, condenser's up.
There it is.
That's it. Get it? What we got? Besides a bunch of sludge.
Dun, dun, dun. Drum roll, please.
Clean it off, see anything. Hit that, I just can't see nothing anymore.
Oh, that's good.
You see anything?
Yeah, we're gonna have to get a Scotch Brite or something. Oh yeah, that's.
Bill, you just added fuel to the fire.
I need it to not be. Like I said, if it.
We could do it like those videos where once you spend 10 minutes before we actually show you what
Yeah.
it is.
The same?
That's stock cam. That's stock cam.
Well, why did it chop at first?
Yeah, exactly. That's a stock cam. Because it would say where's the B cam? It would say on the
like
end.
B303 or something?
Right.
BCam Mafia.
Yeah. So look at the B. Move on my junk here. What's that say right there? Right there.
B303.
Mhm. B303. That's.
What does that say?
So after all of that.
It's just BR and something else on it. Yeah, like I said, I'm thinking it's probably just stock.
Yeah.
I ain't seen a stock one in so long, I don't remember.
I don't either. Yeah. It's definitely. It would have E303 stamped in it.
But
we'd
why
be,
did
we'd
it
be messing with
chop,
4
though?
cams, not one.
Right. All right, boys, we are strolling along pretty damn good. Hadn't been filming a whole lot because we're trying to get this thing done. But lower is torqued down. All the rockers are torqued down. Timing cover back on. Yeah, got one valve cover on, about to put the other valve cover on. I'm going ahead and replacing the water pump too. It was kind of seeping out of the weep hole a little bit. But we're not far. We are not far at all. I'm freaking ready to fire this thing up. Everything going back together good though. Got a new balancer. It went on nice and tight. So not sure what the other deal was. It was brand new Ford from LMR. And yeah, it literally pulled right off. So no idea. Luckily we caught it. So about to wrap this thing up. All right, boys, buzzed it in. I'm on the home stretch. The home freaking stretch. Whole front engine dress is back on. Pulley is swapped. Got to get the radiator back in. Belts back on. Change the oil. Get the discharge tube on. Man, what a day. But we knocked it out. Huge shout out to Dover and Brente for pitching in, helping me out. Won't be long, boys. I'm not going to lie. I'm seriously glad it was a stock cam in the car. Because if it's not, then I was going to go ahead and break down and do valve springs. But so, we got the B cam in from a stock cam and the 3.12 pulley. Finish this up. All right, guys, so we're gonna leave it here. I've been dealing with a broken bolt situation all morning. Yeah, that sucked, and of course it had to be one of the Vortex bolts, so multiple runs to get the right bolt. And of course, I was thinking the belt would work, but it's still a little loose, and the tensioner's maxed out, so I got to get another belt. But other than that, we're ready to fire. So keep it tuned right here. First fire and first drive coming soon. Gonna be exciting. Kevin, you ready to race now?
I don't want to talk about it.
I just picked up 25 horsepower, dude. I don't think you're ready for this.
I'm probably not. Not in my current situation. No, I'm not.
I'll have fun keeping up, though, you know.
Yeah.
I might be able to stay on your bumper or something. We'll see.
We'll give it a shot.
Yeah. Yeah, Kevin got a whole new fuel system, so we'll get Kevin's car back out here shortly. But yeah, guys, keep it tuned. I really wanted to go ahead and fire it, but it's just, yeah, part of it. Will cars kick your ass or will they not?
I've got a dent. It's so hard. Like, big dent. Man. They will kick you.
Yeah,
Why we do it? Why we do it, Kurt?
I don't know.
It ain't like we have better other things to go do.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Like, I know it's shit outside.
It is. Yeah, that's the only good thing is we
Yeah.
wouldn't be driving the cars anyway.
Yeah.
So keep it tuned, guys. We're about to be camming. We're about to be making more boost. And maybe the weather will be a little nicer. We'll be able,
Oh, it's gonna be beautiful
yeah.
tomorrow, so you're gonna want it done.
Yeah, even if it was done, it's pouring ass rain today. So anyway, if you guys did enjoy this, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.